Hi dear friends, welcome to another video. You are watching Abhijit Sana Maths and please do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths and press the bell icon to get the newer videos. And if you have already subscribed, thanks for subscribing. This video will cover all the sub questions included in question number 6. Here problem set 1, question number 6, sub question 1. In the solution part, write the given equation, that is 2 by x plus 2 by 3y equals to 1 by 6, which is given. Now here this first equation can be written as 2 into 1 by x plus 2 by 3 into 1 by y equals to 1 by 6. Now here 2 into 1, it will be 2 divided by x, that is 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x. Similarly, that on multiplying 2 by 3 with 1 by y, we get 2 by 3y. Therefore, give it equation number 1. Another given equation, that is write down here 3 by x plus 2 by y equals to 0, which can be written as 3 into 1 by x, that is 3 into 1, that will be 3 divided by x, plus 2 by y can be written as 2 into 1 by y equals to 0. Give it equation number 2. Now what we have to do is that we have to substitute the values of 1 by x and 1 by y here. Therefore, put 1 by x equals to m, it is new variable, and 1 by y equals to n. Here equation 1, that is this equation will becomes 2 as it is. Now put m instead of 1 by x, that is 2m plus 2 by 3 as it is. Now put n instead of 1 by y, that is n equals to 1 by 6. Now we get this equation. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, therefore multiply by 6 on both sides. Therefore 6 into 2m plus 2 by 3 n equals to 6 into 1 by 6. This 6 and 6 will be cancelled because it is in numerator and denominator. Now 6 into 2m, that is 12 of m, plus 6 into 2 by 3 of n equals to, now this is 1. Here what we get is that 12 of m plus 3 and 6 is cancelled. 2 into 2, that is 4 of n equals to 1. This is equation number 3. This equation number 3 get from equation number 1. Now equation 2, that is this equation, put 1 by x and 1 by y. 3 as it is, the value of 1 by x is m, put m here, plus 2 as it is, the value of 1 by y is n here, put n equals to 0. Give it equation number 4. Now multiply equation 4 by 2 on both sides. What we get is that if we multiply equation number 4 by 2 on both sides, the coefficient of n will become 4 and it will equate to the coefficient of this n and it can be cancelled. Now 2 into 3m plus 2n equals to this 2 into 0. On both sides we are multiplying by 2. Now 2 into 3m, that is 6 of m, plus 2 into 2m, that is 4 of n equals to 0. Now here we get the new equation, that is equation number 5. Here 4n comes and here 4n comes. Then subtract equation this 5 from equation number 3. Means write down here subtract equation this 5 from equation this 3. What we get, equation number 3 is that is 12 of m plus 4n equals to 1 minus this equation, that is 6m plus 4n equals to 0, that will be equals to 12m. This minus sign will changes the sign of this 6m. This second equation, that is will be minus, it will be minus, and this will be also minus. Now 12m minus 6m, that is 6m, 4n minus 4n get cancelled, 1 minus 0, that is 1. 6m equals to 1, therefore m equals to 1 by 6. We get m equals to 1 by 6. We get m equals to 1 by 6, then write down here m equals to 1 by 6. Put this m equals to 1 by 6 in either in equation number 3 or in equation number 4. We are putting this number 4. Then put m equals to 1 by 6 in equation 4, and here equation number 4 is this is that is 3m plus 2n equals to 0. Write down here equation 4. Equation 4, that is 3m plus 2n equals to 0. Now the value of m is 1 by 6, therefore 3 as it is, the value of m is 1 by 6. Write down here 1 by 6 plus twice of n equals to 0. Now 3 and this 6 in denominator will get cancelled. Here we get 1 by 2 plus twice of n equals to 0. Now here twice of n equals to, on shifting this 1 by 2 on right hand side, it will becomes minus of 1 by 2. Therefore n will be equals to minus 1 by 2 into 2. Now this 2 will be shifted to denominator and multiplied with the denominator, and answer is minus 1 by 4. Here we get n equals to minus 1 by 4. We get the two values, that is m equals to 1 by 6. Here write down here 1 equals to 1 by 6 and n equals to minus 1 by 4 here. But we put the values of 1 by x equals to m here and 1 by y equals to n here. Write down here the value of 1 by x, that is 1 by x equals to m we put earlier. Therefore 1 by x will be equals to m, but the value of m is 1 by 6. Then write down here 1 by 6. On making inverse, the value of x we get is 6. Here we get the value of x equals to 6, but in earlier we put the value of 1 by y equals to 9. Therefore write down 1 by y equals to n, because this value we have put earlier is, therefore 1 by y as it is, the value of n we get here is minus 1 by 4. Write down here minus 1 by 4. Therefore y will be equals to minus of 4, because we are making the inverse of this both fractions. Now here we get the values of x equals to 6 and the value of y equals to minus 4. X comma y, that is the value of x and y, that the values of x is 6 here and the value of y is minus 4, is the solution. Question 6 of question 2. Write down the solution part. Questions are, that is 7 by 2x plus 1 plus 13 by y plus 2 equals to 27 is the first equation. Write down here 1, and another equation, that is 13 by 2x plus 1 plus 7 by y plus 2 equals to 33. Write down here equation number 2. Now the equation 1, that is equation 1, that is 7 by 2x plus 1 plus 13 by y plus 2 equals to 27, which can be written as 7 into 1 by 2x plus 1. Now here 7 into 1, it will be 7 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 13 by y plus 2 can be written as 13 into 1 by y plus 2. Here 13 into 1 will be 13. Here 27. Now put 1 by 2x plus 1 equals to a and 1 by y plus 2 equals to b. Now this equation will becomes 7 into the value of 1 by 2x plus 1 is a. Now write down here a plus 13 into the value of 1 by y plus 2 is now b. Write down here b equals to 27. Now here we get the equation number 3. Write down here equation number 3, that is 7a plus 13b equals to 27. Our equation 2 is equation 2, that is 13 by 2x plus 1 plus 7 by y plus 2 equals to 33. Now this can be written as 13 into 1 by 2x plus 1 plus 7 into 1 by y plus 2 equals to 33. Now here also put the same value put 1 by 2x plus 1 equals to a. We put here a, therefore put here a, and 1 by y plus 2 equals to b. Now this equation will becomes 13 into this value is now a 13a plus 7 into the value of 1 by y plus 2 is b equals to 33. Here we get 13 of a plus 7b equals to 33. Write down this equation as 4. We get two equations, that is third equation and fourth equation. Write down here equation 3, that is 7a plus 13b equals to 27, and equation 4, that is 13a plus 7b equals to 33. Now look at here, the equations are formed due to interchange of variables. Here these such type of questions we have already solved before. Add equation 3 and equation 4. Now a plus 13b equals to 27 plus 13 of a plus 7 of b equals to 33. Here 7a plus 13a, that is 20 of a, plus 13b plus 7b, that is 20 of b, equals to 27 plus 33, that is 60. We get the equation is that 20a plus 20b equals to 60, which can be written as by taking 20 common. 20a plus b equals to 20 into 3. This 20 and 20 get cancelled. We get a plus b equals to 3. That is equation number 5, which is now subtract equation number 3 from equation number 4. That is subtract equation 3 from equation 4. That is 13 of a plus 7b equals to 33. That is equation number 4. We have to subtract equation number 3, that is 7 of a plus 13 of b equals to 27. Right here minus. Now this minus sign changes the sign of the second equation. It will become minus, and this will also become minus. 13a minus 7a, that is 6 of a, 7b minus 13b, that is minus of 6b, equals to 33 minus 27, that is 6. Here we get 6 of a minus 6 of b equals to 6. 6 is common, a minus b equals to 6. Here 6 and 6 get cancelled. We get a minus b equals to 1. This is equation number 6. Here we get two equations in the simplest form, that is equation number 5 and equation number 6. Write down here equation 5, that is a plus b equals to 3, and equation 6, that is a minus b equals to 1. Now add equation 5 and 6. By adding we get a plus b equals to 3. Here a minus b equals to 1. These are two equations. Plus sign here, a plus a, that is twice of a, b minus b, it will cancel. 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4. We get twice of a equals to 4. Therefore a will be equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. We get the value of a equals to 2, that is a equals to 2. Now put a equals to 2 in either equation number 5 or in equation number 6. We are putting in equation 5. Put a equals to 2 in equation 5, that is a plus b equals to 3, but here the value of a is now 2. 2 plus b equals to 3, that is b equals to, now here b equals to 3. Now this 2 will be shifted on right hand side, it will become minus. B equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. We get b equals to 1. Here we get the values of a and b, that is a equals to 2 and b equals to 1. But we have already put the values of a and b. Those values are, that is 1 by 2x plus 1 equals to a, and 1 by y plus 2 equals to b. Therefore the value of a, that is we put earlier, is 2x plus 1 equals to a. Therefore 1 by 2 x plus 1 equals to a. The value of a we get is 2. Now on solving this, 1 equals to 2 into 2x plus 1. Here 1 will be equals to 2 into 2x, 4x plus 2. Here 4x plus 2 equals to 1. That is 4x will be equals to 1 minus 2, that is 4x will be equals to minus of 1. Therefore the value of here 4x equals to minus of 1, the value of x will becomes minus 1 divided by 4. Here we get the value of x. Now we put the value of b earlier is 1 by y plus 2 equals to b. Therefore 1 by y plus 2 equals to b. But here the value of b is 1, therefore put 1 by y plus 2 equals to, the value of b is 1, put here 1. Now on solving this, 1 equals to this 1 into y plus 2, it will be multiplied on going to right hand side. Now here 1 equals to y plus 2, therefore y plus 2 equals to 1, and here y will be equals to 1 minus 2. Therefore y will be equals to minus of 1. We get the value of x equals to minus 1 by 4 and value of y equals to minus of 1. Therefore x comma y, that is minus 1 by 4 comma minus of 1 is solution. Question 6, sub question 3. Write down the simultaneous equations in the solution part, that is 148 by x plus 231 by y equals to 527 by xy. Give it equation number 1. Now here second equation is 231 by x plus 148 by y equals to 610 by xy. Give it equation number 2. Now here we get equation 1 and equation 2. In the denominator there is xy. That's why we are multiplying equation 1 and equation 2 by xy on both sides. Therefore multiply equation 1 by xy on both sides. What we get is that xy will be multiplied to the left hand side of equation 1, that is 148 by x plus 231 by y. Now multiply xy to the complete left hand side. Now the same xy will be multiplied with right hand side, that is 527 by xy. On solving this, what we get is that xy multiplied with 148 by x separately plus this xy will be multiplied 231 by y separately. Now here xy is in denominator and in numerator, that why it will be get cancelled and only remains 527. Now here x is in denominator, x is in numerator, it will be cancelled and we get 148 and y, that will be 148 of y plus, as it is y is in denominator and numerator, that's why it will be also get cancelled and we get 231 multiplied with this x, that is 231 of x equals to 527. Now arrange this equation properly, that is we are writing 231 x plus 148 of y equals to 527. Now give it equation number 3. This equation and this equation both are same, just we have rearranged and write down equation number 2, that is this equation, that is 231 by x plus 148 by y equals to 610 by xy. This is equation number 2. We have to multiply this equation also by xy. Then write down here multiply equation above equation by xy on both sides, what we get is that multiply xy to the left hand side, that is 231 by x plus 148 by y equals to, as it is now, 610 by xy. Now here we are multiplying by xy on both sides, that is separately multiply xy first with this and then with this. Now and here we have to also multiply by xy, because we are multiplying xy on both sides. Now separately multiplying xy into 231 by x plus xy into 148 by y equals to, the xy get cancelled, here remains only 610. Now here x and x get cancelled, we get 231 of y plus y get cancelled, we get 148 of x equals to 610. Now rearrange this, that will be 148x plus, that is 231 of y equals to 610. Now write down, this is equation number 4. We get two equations, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4 on. Then write down these equations. Observe this equation carefully. We will observe that these both equations are formed due to interchange of these variables. Such type of problems we have solved earlier. Then what we have to do, we have to first add and then subtract, and then calculated result will be solved. Now here add equation 3 and equation 4. Now 231x plus 148 of y equals to 527, and here 148 of x plus 231 of y equals to 610. Now on adding, what we get here, plus sign. Now 31 plus 148 of x, it will be 379 of x. 148y plus 231y, that will be plus 379 of y equals to, on adding 527 and 610, that is 1137. Now here we get the equation, that is 379 plus 379 of x plus 379 of y equals to 1137. Now here 379 is common, by taking it common, here remains x plus y, and this 1137 is multiple of 377, that is 3 into 379 would will get 1137. Now this 379 will be cancelled with 379, we get x plus y equals to 3. This is our equation. Now equation number 5, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. What we get, then write down here 231 of x plus 148 of y equals to 527 minus 148 of x plus 231 of y equals to 610. Now here we have to calculate. Now this minus sign will changes the sign of this minus, it will become minus, this also will become minus, and this plus 610 also become minus. Now on solving this, what we get is that 231 of x minus 148, it will be 83x. Now plus 148 minus 231, that will become minus of 83y equals to 527 minus 610, that will become minus of 83. Now here what we get is that this 83 is common, 83 is common, by taking it common we get x minus y equals to this minus 1 into 83. This minus 83 can be written as like this. This 83 will cancelled with this. Now we get x minus y equals to minus of 1. Give it equation number 6. Now we get two equations, that is equation number 5, which is x plus y equals to 3. This is equation number 5 and equation number 6. Then write down equation 5 we get is x plus y equals to 3, which we get earlier, and equation 6, that is this equation, that is x minus y equals to minus of 1. Add equation 5 and equation 6. What we get? X plus y equals to 3 and x minus y equals to minus of 1, and adding right down here plus x, that will be twice of x, y minus y, it will be cancelled and become 0. Now here 3 minus 1, that is 2. We get 2 x equals to 2. Therefore x will be equals to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 equals to 1. We get the value of x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1 in equation 5. Here equation 5 is equation 5, that is x plus y equals to 3. We have to put the value of x equals to 1 here. Therefore write down 1 plus y equals to 3. Now we get y equals to 3 minus 1. Therefore y equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. We get the value of y equals to 2. Here we get the value of x equals to 1, and here we get the value of y equals to 2. Write down here x comma y equals to 1 comma 2 is the solution. Question number 6, sub question 4. The given simultaneous equations are here. Now write down simultaneous equations in the solution part, that is 7x minus 2y by xy equals to 5. This is equation number 1, and 8x plus 7y by xy equals to 15. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these equations. Here the equation number 1 is equation 1, that is 7x minus 2y by xy equals to 5. Write down here, and now we have to solve this equation number 1, that is by separating denominator what we get is that 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equals to 5. Now here this x is in denominator and numerator, that's why it will be cancelled, and here remains 7 by y. Now this minus as it is. Now this y is in numerator and denominator, that's why this will be also cancelled, and we get 2 by x equals to 5. This is equation number 3. Write down here equation number 3. We get equation number 3 from equation number 1. Now we have to solve equation number 2. Equation 2. The equation 2 is, write down here equation 2. The equation 2 is 8x plus 7y divided by xy equals to 15. Write down this equation as it is. Now we have to solve this equation. Now separate the denominator, that is 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy equals to 15. Same here, x and x will get cancelled. Here remains 8 by y plus y get cancelled, and here remains 7 by x equals to 15. Give it equation number. We get two equations, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Write down here equation number 3 and 4, that is 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5. This is equation number 3. Therefore write down here equation number 3, and here the equation 8 by y plus 7 by x equals to 15. This is equation number 4. Now what we are doing here is that we are putting 1 by y equals to a and 1 by x equals to b in equation 3 and 4, 3 and equation 4. Now here equation 3 will becomes here equation 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5. This is equation number 3, which can be written as 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x equals to 5. Therefore it will become 7 into the value of 1 by y is a, 7a minus 2 into 1 by x is b here equals to 5. Now we get equation number here 5. Now same by putting in equation number 4. Equation 4, that is this equation 8 by y plus 7 by x equals to 15, which can be written as 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x equals to 15. By putting the values of 1 by y and 1 by x, we get 8 into the value of 1 by y is a, write down here a, plus 7 into 1 by x, that is value 7b equals to 15. Give it equation number 6. We get two equation, that is 7a minus 2b equals to 5, that is equation number 5, and equation 8a plus 7b equals to 15, equation number 6. Write down these two equations separately. On solving, we get these two equations, then we have written down these two equations, that is equation number 5 and equation number 6. Now if we have to equate the coefficients, then equation number 5 will be multiplied with 7, it will be 14, and equation number 6 will be multiplied with 2. Therefore multiply equation 5 by 7 on both sides. 7 into left hand side of equation 5, that is 7a minus 2b equals to 7 into 5. Now here 7 into 7, 49 of a minus 14 of b equals to 35. We get equation number 7. Write down, it is equation number 7. Now multiply equation 6 by 2 on both sides. What we get is that multiply 2 on left side of equation number 6, that is 8a plus 7b equals to 2 into 15. We get is 2 into 8a 16 of a plus 2 into 7b 14 of b equals to 30. Now give it equation number 8. This is equation number 8. Now we get two equations, that is equation number 7 and equation number 8. Now here the coefficient of b is minus 14 and coefficient of b is plus 14. It will be cancelled if we add this. That's why we multiply these equations by 7 and this equation by 2. Now here we have to solve this equation number 7 and equation number 8. Add equation 7 and equation 8. What we get, that is 49 of a minus 14 of b equals to 35, and here 16 of a plus 14 of b equals to 30, this equation. Now we have to add, means here we have to give plus sign. 49 of a plus 16 of a, it will be 65 of a, and this minus 14b plus 14b will cancel, and here equals to 65. We get 65 of a equals to 65. A equals to 65 divided by 65 equals to 1. We get the value of a equals to 1. Then put a equals to 1 in equation. You can put either in equation 5 or in equation 6, but we are putting here in equation 6. Therefore in equation 6, that is equation 6 is equation 6, that is equation 6 is 8a plus 7b equals to 15. Now the value of a is 1 here, therefore 8 into 1 plus 7b equals to 15. Now here 8 into 1, 8 plus 7b equals to 15. Therefore 7 of b will be equals to 15 minus 8, that is 7 of b will be equals to 7. The value of b will be equals to 7 by 7 equals to 1. We get the b equals to 1, but here we get a and we get b, the values of a and b. We get the value of a, that is a equals to 1, and we get the value of b, that is b equals to 1. But we already put, but the value of a, that is 1 by y equals to a, we have already put there in earlier. Therefore 1 by y equals to a, the value of a is 1 here, therefore here 1. For y will be equals to inverse of 1, that is 1. We get the value of y equals to 1 here. But the value of b we earlier put is that 1 by x equals to b. Therefore 1 by x equals to the value of b is 1. Therefore write down here 1. And by inverse of x, it will be 1 by 1 equals to 1. Here we get the value of y equals to 1 and x equals to 1. Write down here x comma y, the value of x is 1 comma the value of y is 1 is the solution. Question number 6, sub question 5. The given simultaneous equations are these. Then write down the first simultaneous equation in the solution part, that is 1 by 2 3x plus 4y plus 1 by 5 2x minus 3y equals to 1 by 4. This is the first simultaneous equation we have written here. Now this equation can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus 4y. Now this 1 will be multiplied with 1, it will be 1, and 2 into this denominator, that is 2 into 3x plus 4y, that is 1 by 2 into 3x plus 4y can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus 4y. Plus similarly this can be written as 1 by 5 into 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to 1 by 4. That is this equation, and this equation is same. Give it equation number 1. Now write down the second equation, that is this equation, which is 5 by 3x plus 4y minus 2 by 2x minus 3y equals to minus 3 by 2. We have written down this equation as it is. Now this equation also can be written as 5 into 1 by 3x plus 4y. Now this 5 by 3x plus 4y can be written as this way, minus 2 by 3x minus 2 by 2x minus 3y can be written as 2 into 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to minus of 3 by 2. Give this equation as 2. Now we have to put the values of 1 by 3x plus 4y and 1 by 2x minus 3y by substituting. Put 1 by 3x plus 4y equals to m and 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to n in equation this first equation and in equation this second equation. Means we have to put the values of this by m and this by n in equation 1 and equation 2. Then equation 1 becomes equation 1, that is equation this will becomes, now this 1 by 2 as it is. Now the value of 1 by 3x plus 4y is m. Now therefore put instead of this m, I am putting m here, plus as it is. Now this is 1 by 5, the value of this 1 by 2x minus 3y we have to put now n, therefore put n here equals to 1 by 4. Now here the LCM of this 2, 5 and 4 is 20, therefore we are multiplying by 20 on both sides. Then multiply this equation, this above equation by 20 on both sides. On multiplying by 20 on both sides, what we get is that 20 into 1 by 2m plus 1 by 5n equals to 1 by 4. Then we have to also multiply by 20 because we are multiplying this 20 on both sides. Now on solving this, 20 into 1 by 2, that is 2 and 20 get cancelled, that will be 10 of 10m, plus now this 20 will be multiplied with 1 by 5, that it will be cancelled, and that will be 4 of n equals to, that is 5. We get this is equation number 3. Now here we have to solve putting the value of this m and n in equation number 2. The equation number 2 is this. We have to put the value of this and this by m and m, and therefore equation 2 will becomes, now this is equation 2, that is 5 as it is, the value of this is now m, put m here, minus as it is 2 into the value of 1 by 2x minus 3y is, and put here equals to minus 3 by 2. This equation we get. Now on solving this, what we get is that we have this 2 is in denominator. By shifting to the left hand side, it will becomes 2 into 5m minus 2n equals to minus of 3. Now this 2 into 5m, that will be 10 of m, minus 2 into 2, 4 of n equals to minus of 3. Now here we get equation number 4. Now by observing equation number 3 and equation number 4, we get is that the coefficient, that 4 here plus 4n comes and here minus 4n comes. It will be cancelled on adding equation number 3 and 4. Therefore by add equation 3 and equation 4. The equation 3 is right down here, that is 10m plus 4n equals to 5. This is equation number 3, and equation number 4 is, that is 10m minus 4n equals to minus of 3. We have to add, means we have to give the plus sign. Then 10m plus 10m, that will be 20 of m, plus 4n minus 4n get cancelled. Now 5 minus 3, it will be 2. We get here 20 of m equals to 2. Therefore m will be equals to 2 by 20, that is 2 under 2, and it will be divisible 1. Answer of m we get is m equals to 1 by 10. We get m equals to 1 by 10. Put m equals to 1 by 10 in equation 3. Here equation 3 is equation 3 is 10m plus 4n equals to 5. Now the value of m is 1 by 10, therefore write down 10 as it is. The value of m is 1 by 10, write down here 1 by 10 plus as it is 4n as it is, and 5 also equals to 5. Now this 10 and 10 get cancelled, remains here only 1 plus 4n equals to 5. Now here that 4n will be equals to 5 minus 1, this 1 shifted to right hand side, and therefore 4n will be equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Therefore n will be equals to 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. We get the values of m and n. Here the value of m is 1 by 10 and the value of n is 1. We get two values, that is m equals to 1 by 10 and n equals to 1. Here we get two values, but we already put 1 by 3x plus 4y equals to m. Then write down here 1 by 3x plus 4y equals to m here, because we put this value earlier. Now we get that, therefore 1 by 3x plus 4y equals to, the value of m is now 1 by 10, therefore put 1 by 10 instead of this m. Therefore here comes 1 by 10. Now on solving this, what we have to do, we have to cross multiply this cross multiplication, that is 1 into 10 equals to this 1 into 3x plus 4y. On solving this 1 into 10, it will be 10. Now 1 into 3x plus 4y, that is 3x plus 4y. Here we get 3x plus 4y equals to 10. On interchange of both sides we get this equation. Give this equation as number 5. Give this equation number 5. We put the value of 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to n here. Therefore write down here 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to n, because we have already put this value earlier and solved this problem. Now here, therefore 1 by 2x minus 3y equals to n, but the value of n we get is 1. Therefore write down here 1. On solving this one equals to 1 into 2x minus 3y, that 1 is equals to 1 into 2x minus 3y, that is 2x minus 3y. Therefore 2x minus 3y equals to 1 by interchange of sides. Now give this equation number 6. Now we get two equations, that is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. This is equation number 5. An equation that is 2x minus 3y equals to 1, that is equation number 6. Now on solving these two equations, now what we have to do? Multiply equation 5 by 2 on both sides. What we get? 2 into 3x plus 4y equals to 2 into 10. And what we get, that is 2 into 3x, that is 6 of x, plus 2 into 4y, that is 8 of y, equals to 2 into 10, that is 20. We get this new equation, that is equation number 7. Now multiply equation 6 by 3 on both sides. Why? 3 into left hand side of equation 6, that is 2x minus 3y equals to, this 3 will be multiplied with the right hand side of this sixth equation. Now here 3 into 2x, that is 6 of x, minus 3 into 3y, that is 9 of y, equals to 3 into 1, that is 3. We get new equation, give it number 8. Now subtract equation, that is 8th equation, from equation 7. We have to subtract this equation, 8th equation, from equation 7. What we get is that equation number 7 is, that is 6x plus 8y equals to 20. This is equation number 7. We have to subtract equation number 8, that is 6x minus 9y equals to 3. Now here minus sign comes, minus sign will changes the sign of this second equation, plus 6 will become minus, minus 9 will become plus, and here 3 will becomes plus 3 will becomes minus of 3. Now 6x minus 6x will cancel, 8y plus 9y, that will be 17 of y equals to 20 minus 3, that is 17. We get 17 of y equals to 17. Therefore y will be equals to 17 by 17 equals to 1. Now here we get y equals to 1. Therefore put y equals to 1 in equation, either in equation 5 or in equation 6. We are putting in equation 5. Put y equals to 1 in equation 5. Here equation 5 is what? That is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Therefore here 3x as it is, plus as it is, 4 as it is, but the value of y is 1. Now put 1 here equals to 10. That is 3x plus 4 equals to 10. Here 3x equals to 10 minus 4. Shift of this 4 on right hand side. Now here 3x equals to 6. Therefore x equals to 6 by 3 equals to 2. Therefore x equals to 2. Here we get the value of x equals to 2 and the value of y, that is 1. Therefore our answer, that is x comma y, equals to, that is 2 comma 1 is the solution.